Every time I'm pregnant, I'm addicted to smelling pine salt or anything eucalyptus. This. Now just look at this. Okay guys, we are gonna have some fun today. It's all about self-care, and that means going to World Market in the best vintage store in Central California, hands down. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention we are gonna do a lime wash treatment in our water closet. Okay, let's do a little trip to World Market, guys. I usually don't like fake flowers, but these are kind of pretty. $12.99. It's funny because then every time I get fake flowers, I end up throwing them away. What is this? Pink muck. It's $14.99. Doesn't smell very good. Palo Santo. This one smells really good. I need to get some accessories for my bathroom. $14.99. Might consider this, but I think I want something that has some black. Wisteria reed diffusers. Those are always fun. Oh, Palo Santo room spray. I just got some really nice room sprays from Didi's Discounts. Reed diffuser. But do reed diffusers last? I feel like sometimes they lose their smell. Oh, they have black patchouli. Oh, they've got one of these candle warmer lamps. $40. Oh, this is cute. $7. This kind of looks like my vintage candle holder. I do like to pick these up because these aren't too expensive at all. $5. I love the swirl design on them. It's cute. 20 bucks. What I want to get from here is a towel as well as, oh, these are cute. Now I'm kind of like over this look, but if you're into these still lifes, these are cute. How much are these? 45 bucks. It's probably her original art in there with the little vintage frame. What is this? Floral diffuser. I wonder how that works. I'm not really sure about the diffuser. Now I do like this. This goes with my colorway. Might get that, but I need to mix in some other colors since I've got a lot of that putty color. Oh, I think I should get this for my daughter. Mushroom Grow. I'm gonna get this for my daughter. She loves mushrooms. I have a bunch of this stuff already, but I wanna, yeah, this is what I want. So let's see. Pretty colors, if I wanted to add some color. What is this? Bath mat. This is cute. Kind of small though. $16.99 for the bath mat. Looks a little small. This is more like it. So the one I have already is like this. How much is this one? 2x3, 25 bucks. Something for my little toilet room part so that I could have books, you know, but it needs to be very narrow. I might have to have my husband build me a shelf. Mango wood vase. This is cute. How much is this one? $50. Every time I'm pregnant, I'm addicted to smelling pine salt or anything eucalyptus. So I would take like a eucalyptus bath like every day. Isn't that crazy? Look at these pretty soaps. How much are these? $12.99. This is pretty. So I want to get stuff for my self-care and my baths, but what am I going to put these in? I guess just like a little bowl. I know I don't want to use bath oils because they're a nightmare to clean. Okay, so I'm here to get the last few bits to finish my project. I have reclaimed terracotta. How pretty. Those silver lamps. Oh, look. This for like making a sangria, it's $35. Super cute. What cute things in here can I find? So I need little knickknacks for, look at this lamp. How much is this? $35. So cute. Wooden bowls. I want to incorporate some chocolate brown. Look at this lamp, it's cute. How much is this? $150. Wow, it's expensive. Oh, look at this lamp. Oh my gosh, look at that. I have like a lamp addiction. How much is it? Okay, yeah, I have cash. Okay.
Are you for sure you want it?
Yeah, I'm for sure. Look at this. It's pretty. $35. Candelabra. It's nice. So I do need some knickknacks. But I think that lamp is just right. This is cute. How much is this? $60. It's cute. I was looking at this sculpture last time. It's quite expensive, but I love it. This is cute for a little texture. I like these chairs. $95. $1,300 for that dining table. That is cute. Okay, so I decided to pop on in here because I had never been to living spaces before. And it was kind of really big. Like there's something for your living room, your bedroom, your dining room. There's a lot of neutrals. Like those chairs were $500. Everything ranged from about, well, furniture wise, I would say like $500 to $2,500. They had amazing bed frames, large settees. If you're into neutrals, living spaces is definitely the spot for you. But the cool thing about this place is that they have mods, like you can modify. Oh yeah, I really like this console table. How much was it? I think it was $1,000, but they have a bunch of different fabrics. So whatever you see, if it has this little like sticker on it, that means you can pick any one of the fabrics that they have over in a different section. They have like a wall of fabrics to choose from, and I believe a lot of them are performance fabrics. But yes, Living Spaces, you know, if I would have known about Living Spaces, I would have purchased a couch from there years ago. My couch, I think my couch was like thousands upon thousands. This leather couch, it took like 6 months to get here, to get to me, because it was like during COVID. But definitely hit up Living Spaces if you want to decorate. They have smaller items, bigger items. Like I really like this couch. I think it was $1,600. But I mean, that color is just ridiculous. I have 2 dogs, wouldn't have worked out. Plus a million kids. It just, you know, it's not practical. But you see, there's different mods that you can get. So definitely check out Living Spaces. I didn't buy anything because I didn't come here to shop. I'm going to show you what I got from World Market. So I got this for the bath. Look. So this is perfect for when I want to take a bath. And you just like set this. I don't know if it goes like this or like this. I'm pretty sure like this. Yeah. And you can just set your little bath items in here. Amazing, beautiful oatmeal-y towels. And I also got one in black because you know when you put on like tilted sunscreen and then you wipe your hands on your towel and then you get like the color of your tilted sunscreen? I hate that. So I got these. I actually got 3 of them. 1 large one, 2 hand towel sizes, a beigey color. But when you put it here, you can see the difference. Like this is like a cool putty color, and this is much more beigey. Where these little spicy orchid bath salts, and this is gonna go perfect. Actually, I got a little bowl for them. This bowl is not all that, but it works. This soap, it smells so good. It's honey almond. It's honey almond soap, and this is gonna. Okay, I got honey almond soap, and this is gonna go with it. You know those scrubbers? Only problem with this is this part is kind of loose, so when you hold it like this, it like slips and slides. So I don't know if this is the best quality, and this cost $4.99, so that's not so bad. Then the last thing, Steven! Okay, shh. So I really don't like this packaging, but this, you get sea salt, you get white tan lily, you get oak moss. So this is a good little combo set, and this was $12.99. So what is that? It's about $4 each. So I thought that was cute. So I got my little soaps. So I'm gonna make a whole little display when it's time to arrange the bathroom goodies. The last thing I got was, I got an aromatherapy. I don't know what I did with it. It's somewhere, but I did get these from Dee Dee's Discounts. It's like linen spray. Oh my God, it smells so good. I got 2. So if you go to Dee Dee's, this is only $4. Get this one. It smells like eucalyptus. And get this one right here. It smells like in between a gummy bear and a flower. It smells so good. I asked my daughter, I was like, what name would you give this room spray? And she says, Candy Shop. So, but it's not really that sweet. It smells like white gummy. You ever go to Jamba Juice and you order white gummy? It smells like that. All right, so I'm about to show you the best treasures I got from Relove Vintage, but I'm gonna save it for last. But what did come was this alabaster lime paint, which we're gonna test out in the next video. Okay, so remember we went with this, right? It's like a putty color. It's not beige, it's more of a cool putty. It's not quite gray either. So I got this, and then this is gonna coordinate, but I don't know if this is gonna be too dark or not. It's called Alabaster, and I didn't wanna order too many samples. Each sample was like 30 bucks. I thought that was kind of pricey. So we're gonna test that out. I'm gonna show you what I got from the vintage store now. So cute. So first let me show you this. Now just look at this. Logan. Okay, it was $30, which might seem pricey, but I think it's copper. I just love the shape. It's like the cutest little bowl, so just imagine. when we go to like style, when we go to style our shelves. Mwah. It's gonna be so good. So I got this. This was a, and then so I only got 2 things. I only picked up 2 things. But the store is that good, you only need to pick up 2 things. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, the store is that good that I could spend an hour in that store. That's how much I love how they curate their items. It's nothing that you know what? Did you guys see that, was it the luxury home show? One of those shows with like Mark Graff, one of those Selling Sunset guys. He showed his mid-century home. And I felt like the decor in this shop could totally fit in his mid-century home. And he had a lot of objects d'art and knickknacks that totally had this vibe. So look at this lamp, guys. So it's meant to be like, actually I might need to tighten the lampshade a little bit, but the base looks like that, just basic brass. It has that little detail where it's swirled like this. This part is black. Even has some age. So this is, I think this is unlacquered brass. I could be wrong, but see how it's like turning green? And then this is a lampshade. It's kind of like Pinocchio's hat, but it's meant to be like crooked like that. And I just thought this is so gorgeous. So those are the items I got. And I think I'm happy with every single item. I didn't overdo it. So just like I shared in my last video, I took the Zalige tiles to the tile store, and I was able to get an earthy putty color that matches the Zalige without the price and without the uneven pooling of water, which happens with Zalige tiles when you put on the floor. But anyways, so I found it in matte, which I much prefer, and it's like an exact match. But I'm excited to start mixing metals because I'm not married to gold, silver, or bronze. And I'm especially not married to all the black fixtures that everyone's been doing for the past 2 years. To me, it just screams Amazon, you know? And I fell into that as well. I had a lot of things installed in the bathroom, black, but I just can't do it. But this putty color is everything. So I'm just playing around, giving it a little dry run. But I think my thrifted treasures, they all kind of blend nicely. Yeah, so as you can see, this is a lot warmer than the wall color. This wall color is what you call a grège in French. So my dad is French. His family's from Louisiana French, but grège is a combination of a gray and beige, and it's a real color. And I feel like this color tile is like grège. So anyways, we're gonna put the bathroom in place Monday. Okay, so let's open this up. I have my brush. I did read that it's good to dilute it, so I have this pitcher, and they say it dries lighter. Like, to me, that looks very dark and gray. You know, I might need a primer because it's so glossy in here. So what I think I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna get some bronzing solution so that can patina and turn kind of more of an aged color. But tune in next week because I'm gonna show you how this alabaster lime wash treatment came out in the water closet. So I only bought a sample, and the sample was enough to cover like 1 coat of this. So I bought some more because I think I do like the color alabaster because it's like, I wonder if it reminds me of Revere Pewter by Sherwin-Williams. Anyhow, it's a pretty color. It goes really nicely with the grège right here. But yeah, trust me, it's not gonna look like this forever, but I'll see you guys next Sunday, and we will finish our 2nd coat, and I'll show you the reveal. Because this might be something that you wanna do yourself or test out in a small area of your home.